In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your GoDaddy domain. Whether you've decided to streamline your digital portfolio, or perhaps you are switching over to a different provider, knowing how to properly cancel your domain with GoDaddy is essential. Let's go through the process step by step. First, you'll need to open up your web browser and go to GoDaddy's website. You can simply type GoDaddy in a Google search bar, and it should be one of the top results. Go ahead and click on the official GoDaddy link to get started. Once you're on their homepage, you'll want to locate the Sign In button. It's usually found in the top right corner of the page. If you're not already logged in, click on it and enter your login details to access your account. After signing in, you'll be redirected to the dashboard of your account. From here, the next step is to navigate to your domain portfolio. This is where you'll find a list of all the domains you currently own. Take a moment to scan through the list until you find the specific domain you want to cancel. Once you've identified the domain in question, click on it to get to the domain's settings page. This page contains all the necessary information and options for managing your domain. Look for the Advanced section, where you will see an option to delete domain. Selecting this option will prompt a confirmation process. Go ahead and check the confirmation box if you're sure about deleting the domain, and then press Continue to finalize your decision. It's crucial to be certain at this step because deleting a domain is irreversible. Before completely exiting, there's another critical part of this process: stopping the domain from automatically renewing. To manage this, you need to stay on your domain settings page. Scroll down until you find the Auto Renew section. It's essential to disable auto renewal to ensure that you're not charged for the domain after it's deleted. Click on Auto Renew and follow any on-screen prompts to successfully disable it. And that's it. You've now successfully gone through the process of canceling your GoDaddy domain. Remember, whether you're managing multiple domains or just this one, knowing how to efficiently handle these tasks can save you both time and unnecessary charges. If you have any more domains to cancel, you can repeat these steps for each one. I hope this guide has been helpful, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching, and have a great day managing your digital assets.